Let's check out Art Cafe Speciality Coffee today. Welcome back to Get Updated Now, opposite to Mall of Muscat. So great location, and inside they have really designed it so well that you will love to spend your time here. And their machines are also the updated ones, so they're really nice. So first we use the tab to find what we want, and we ordered it there. And yeah, he was making this for a customer outside, and I thought it was for us because we ordered a cappuccino and V60. But then of course this art, which everyone enjoys watching. And see, I just picked it by mistake thinking it was for me, but then later he took it to the customer it belonged to. And then here he started making our cappuccino. The black cups sometimes, they look amazing, and these cups are perfect for the coffee art. So here I've been trying to do this for some time, but no, not yet so professional. So yeah, this was for my mom, and there she was writing something because she loves writing. And this was the bean that I chose to take something that was dark roast. So these beans looked really good. He had all the different beans like Colombia, Ethiopia, and this one was from the mountain. It's called Rock Mountain, something like that. I don't remember it, but yeah, he said it was dark roast. That's why I took that option. So here he's preparing the V60, and then there comes the beans, around 28 grams. And I love this kettle. I'm thinking on getting one, but then if you do everything at home, even V60, then what will be left for the cafes, right? So here the coffee powder, the fresh beans were grinded, and the aroma was awesome. Now here he goes. So they don't have to fill it up like too much. It's only halfway through, and then you see they stop because there's the measurement of coffees there on the V60 pot. And then here it comes for the second time, and the last time. So here they can measure on the scale as well that how much coffee is made out of that amount of coffee beans that were grinded and used here. Yeah, so there my V60 is also ready, and I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. So yeah, thank you for watching.